Yogo. Transforming into a motorbike was fun the other day, but transforming into a rocket yesterday was awesome! We took off so fast whoosh, that we pushed the clouds out of the way.
Yes, Toph, but we could do even more things as a flying fish. We can dive, swim, jump, and fly. Tango chirps like me aren't able to swim.
Whoa! How's it going, guys?
Hey, Hey, Geo, what would you like to transform us into? A motorbike, a rocket, or a flying fish?
A flying fish!
I like all the transformations. Oh, especially the ones for exploring or discovering things or for solving a problem.
Well, that's just it.
Huh?
Yogo, Kazu, and I aren't able to agree. And that's a problem right there. So, which one will you choose?
Well, why don't we do all three transformations one after the other? Then everyone will be happy.
Hey, Geo! This Tangra Chuck says they spotted an absolutely awesome creature here on Tangra-planet. A kind of Tangra-Titan that can run really fast. It can also swim for a long time and even fly. It comes and goes. It's been seen in the canyons and in the sea and up high in the mountains.
Oh, wow! Let's see if we can find it. Shall we start with the motorbike and drive to the canyons?
Yay!
Hey, Jovio! Russ! Bow and Bow?
Huh?
Come here! We need you guys to do 3 transformations. Here we go. Tangranimals, transformation, motorbike. Everyone, hold on tight.
This little guy saw the Tangra-Titan jumping across the sky. But now it's nowhere to be found.
Maybe it's out at sea. We should go take a look.
There's no need to get excited, guys. The creature he's talking about doesn't exist. It's just a legend.
Oh, you act like a Mr. Know-it-all. But actually, you don't have a clue. What do you think, Geo?
The Tangra-Titan could be real. I mean, the Tangra-planet is always so full of surprises. Want to come with us, Jovio?
If you insist, but I'm telling you, we're not going to find it.
Tangranimals, transformation, flying fish! Yahoo! Yay! Hey, I can see something moving over there, guys. Oh, hi there, jellyfish. Sorry about that, friends. It's not the Tangra-Titan after all.
Well, the only place left to look for the Titan is the mountains.
Count me out. I'd rather take a nice, warm sand bath.
I'd rather stay here too to make yummy seaweed cocktails.
Well, I'm going to go by myself.
I'll go with you.
So will we! See you later then, guys.
Dizzy! Whatever you do, you, Bow and Bow. Don't look down.
Pretty color. And yummy taste.
I hope the others don't get into any trouble in the mountains. What if they need to transform for some reason? They wouldn't be able to do it without us. We should be sensible and go and find them.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm going to need some ice cubes to cool my cocktail down.
Tough Sneeze has started an avalanche! Run for cover!
Quick! We need to transform into a sled or a snowmobile!
Oh no, we can't do it! Jovial and Russ aren't with us!
You called our names, Geo?
Jovial! Russ!
Quick, Geo, let's all transform!
Tangranimals transformation sled!
How lucky Jovial and Russ happen to be nearby.
Yeah.
Thank you, you guys.
You can thank us by forgetting all about this legend nonsense. No creature can fly and swim and jump and run. That doesn't exist.
Okay, before we head back home, I'll just ask that dino if it's seen the Tangra-Titan. Hello? Squibbly blue pouch pouch chick chick Tangra-Titan? Yes, it has seen it. The last time it saw the Titan, it was flying.
You see, Jovial?
Okay, if we don't find the Tangra-Titan up there, we'll go straight home. Pinky promise. You in, Jovial?
Might as well, I suppose.
How about this?
Yay!
Tangranimals transformation eagle!
What? It said the Tangra-Titan was flying up among the clouds just a second ago. That's impossible. We were up there and we didn't see it.
What? But no one else has taken off except us.
That Tangra dino is talking a load of nonsense.
Hey, wait, that's it. Of course, I get it now. The extraordinary creature from the legend is us.
What? Us? When we do our transformations.
Let's go to the canyons.
Bleep, 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 bleep. Yes, they do think the Tangra-Titan that drives really fast is us.
Yep, the jellyfish thinks we're the Tangra-Titan that swims and flies.
I'm a legend. I'm as strong as a giant titan. See, Jovial? You were wrong. The Tangra-Titan does exist.
Sure it exists, but only when we do transformations. And we don't do them all the time. So, I'm wrong. But I'm also right.
Well, one thing's for sure. You're no longer Mr. Know-It-All.
More like, Mr. I'm not totally sure. Hey, guys! Hey, Geo!
Hey, Geo!
Hey, Welcome to the famous Tangra Splash Sea Music Festival, Geo.
We have lots of music festivals in my world, too. They have all kinds of concerts in the streets. What about here?
Our concerts take place inside lots of sea bubbles.
We always go to the concert inside the big bubble. It's the biggest one of all, and Russ's favorite.
Where is Russ?
Hey! You looking for me? Are you ready for the best concert you've ever seen?
Yes!
Let's do it!
Yeah!
Huh? Did you just hear that? I hear some really gentle music. Very different.
Yes. I can hear it too. It's really faint. It's strange.
Come on! Let's hurry up! The longer I stand here, the more I'm missing the bestest concert of my life!
Why don't we go to that small bubble instead?
Huh? What for?
I really want to find out. Who's playing that music?
You're right. Which musician is able to play such a pretty tune? Have you ever heard it before, Yoko?
But it's so much easier to go to the big bubble!
We'll go to the Big Bubble concert afterwards. It's only just begun.
Go on, Russ. Geo's right, you know. It's like waiting for a cake. You need to be patient while it's baking. But in the end, it's well worth it.
Okay. But it had better be a good concert. I was on board as soon as you mentioned the word cake, by the way.
Oh, boy.
It's just like the moon moving around the Earth.
What's the moon? Something from your world?
It's a little satellite back home. It lights up the sky at night, and when I look at it, it makes me happy and sad at the same time.
How could you be happy and sad at the same time? I couldn't.
Hey, that gives me an idea. Where I come from, we fly to the moon with rockets.
Yes! Let's make a rocket!
Toph, Yogo, Jovial.
Ah!
I've made this Tangram gazillions of times. I know it by heart. Yay! Tangranimals, transformation, rocket!
Yay!
3, 2, 1, and liftoff!
Soon we're going to find out who's making that music.
This had better be good. That's all I'm... Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, boom, boom. I just really want to dance.
The music we were hearing seems to have stopped. Oh, there's nobody here.
No. Oh, well, we might as well just go back to the big bubble.
Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. It's no big deal, Geo.
Oh. No, wait. It's beautiful.
Wow.
Wow.
Whoa!
Oh. Why am I feeling happy and sad at the same time?
Like Geo with the moon.
Because the music moves you, Russ.
Huh? The music was coming from down there. Let's go.
Wait for us, Russ. We're not fast swimmers like you are.
Why don't we all go together as a tangram? Oh, as a sausage.
As a fish.
Oh, you're right.
Tangranimals, transformation, fish! Daddy. Oh, wow.
It's so moving. Do you know what breaks my heart, Geo? That the Tangranimals in the big bubble will never be happy and sad at the same time because they can't hear the music we can.
I know, Russ, but not all talented musicians become superstars. Superstars? A star is someone everyone knows all over the world.
What? Even in the big bubble? Then let's make this Jelly Jelly a superstar!
A mega superstar!
A
Awesome!
star that shines bright.
Good idea, Russ. For a stars concert, we're going to need a stage so everyone can see him. And so he can be heard from afar, he needs...
A trunk!
That could work, Toph, but I was thinking more of a microphone.
Toph and I could make the microphone's big poofy puff!
Woohoo!
Bow and Bow, Ula, Kazu, and I can make the stem and antenna piece, which sends out the sound.
Tell us when to go, Geo.
Jovio will go here and Toph here. I think I've just gotten a new Tangram to add to my collection.
It's gonna be wild!
Tangranimals, transformation, microphone! Tangranimals, ow, ow, Tangranimals. Tangranimals,
Yay!
Good evening, one and all. My Tangranimal friends up in the big bubble, I am sorry to disturb you. But I'd like to introduce you to an amazing musician. We love her, and we hope you will too.
Ready for the best concert of your life? Go on, Theo. I formed the place up. They're raring to go. It's working! I love it! What a star!
Wow! We want to dance to it too.
Yay! You know, Theo, without you, I would never have bothered coming to this little bubble. You were right to insist, buddy.
And without you, Russ, we never would have enjoyed a superstar concert.
This is the best concert of my whole life!
Wahoo!
Woohoo!
Yahoo!
Why'd you do that, Russ?
I'm looking for new taste. Thanks, Ula. I already know this one.
Check this baby out, my friends. A perfectly squared sandwich.
No, still not there. I'm looking for something more unique.
Oh.
Come on, let's go have our picnic elsewhere, where it's safe.
Wait, you guys!
Huh? Where are all the others?
What? You seriously don't know why they left? You scared them all away.
Oh dear, that's not good. How can can I get all of our friends to come back?
Well, by quitting licking other people's food for a start.
Yeah, sure. That makes sense.
And maybe you can make up for it by making us a nice dessert. I love desserts.
Of course. I'm going to make an absolutely awesome dessert. You'll see. I'll make a special cake that sounds good.
Don't you mean a cake that smells good?
Yes, that too, but mostly it'll sound good. You know? Sound as in sounds?
Wow, that's definitely something we don't have back home. What do you put in it?
All you need is ingredients that sound nice, like that. Listen.
Wow, that's so cool! Do you know where to find other ingredients that make sounds?
Sure, but it's going to take some rummaging. Hey, wait up, Theo!
I'm gonna go and fetch our friends so they can help us look.
Oh dear, they must all be mad at me right now.
Of course they're not. Don't worry, they're still your friends, Russ. Hey there, guys. Russ wants to make up for having licked everyone's picnic earlier on.
No.
He's going to need our help.
Yeah, well, we wouldn't normally say anything, but he really spoiled our picnic.
So, yuck, yuck. Yuck, yuck.
That's true, but he wants to make us a super yummy cake that makes lots of sounds, and he needs all of us to help him find the ingredients. Guys, it's so awesome to have ingredients that make sounds. Would you know where to find stuff like that?
In fact, we all have our own favorite ones.
Yay! Really? Oh, could you show me?
Listen to this one, Gio. It's a funny one.
It sounds like a balloon that's deflating. Oh, I'd love to take one of these to school with me.
Oh, this is my absolute favorite one, Gio. I love it. Catch!
Whoa!
Sounds yummy, doesn't it?
Awesome! It sounds like you.
The noisy noise plant. My favorite.
I can hardly hear it. It sounds like my school playground. This is great. Russ will have everything he needs.
Wow! All this for me? Thank you, guys! This is awesome! I love them all!
So, what recipe are you using?
The plop in the pot recipe!
Too much stuff!
Of course not! There's no need to stress. It'll be delicious. It just needs a bit of a stir. It'll go swimmingly, you'll see. Oops. Without a spoon to stir it, I can't promise it won't smell a little bit off once it's done.
Oh, no, Russ! If it's a bigger spoon you need, that's what you'll get. We'll make a Tangram one. This piece here and the handle here. Voila!
Let's do it.
Here we go. Tangranimals, transformation, big spoon!
Oh, please hurry up, Gio, or we'll all wind up dead.
My ears! My ears! complaining. Your heads aren't even in the mix.
If I stir even harder... I wouldn't eat this anyway.
And it doesn't smell good either.
It's actually really stinky. It's a disaster. All of the ingredients sound good.
Yes, but maybe not all at the same time. Don't you think?
It's because I wanted to make everyone happy. But in the end, it sounds awful.
Who was right? When we make a cake, we choose our ingredients carefully. You can't create your musical cake off the top of your head with a bunch of plop-plops, you know, Russ.
But I usually use the prop method, and it always works.
It doesn't always work.
You're totally right. I'm going to choose my ingredients better.
Perfect. We'll go and look for some new ingredients together for our chef conductor.
Yay!
What?
Awesome!
Rhythm comes first. Just a pinch for the speed, then a little extra for the beat. A few little leaves. Then, to make it all nice and smooth, we'll add a soft, soothing sound. These swissy waves will go perfectly with the fireworks. Grumpus. I like it. It's got off on the right foot.
And it's starting to smell really yummy, too. Can we taste it?
Hands off! It's not done yet. Be patient. Now, for a very important part, we're going to make the tune.
Wow! It's making my ears hungry.
Yum. It sounds good already.
It's ready, my friends!
It's so tasty, Russ.
Oh, yummy!
It's delicious.
I want seconds.
So do I. So do I.
So do I!
Oh, no.
Russ!
Sorry. It's just too good. Grumpsters. Hmm?
Hey there, guys!
Geo! Just in time! We're singing for the Queen! If she likes it, we'll be doing a concert for all the Tangra ribbits. Ready now? 1, 2, 3!
Boom, boom,
Now you, Yogo. Yogo?
I know how we can get Yogo here. He loves chewing on my beanie. Yogo! Beanie! Yogo! Ah, there you are, my Yogo. I'm so happy to see you. We missed you.
You let us down big time, you mean? We had to sing without you.
Ooh, looks like you found something, Yogo.
Yeah, it's true that for Yogo to drop my bonnet, there must be something over there that's even more exciting.
Over there. Huge. Huge.
What is it?
It's not easy to see. The trees are hiding it. Let's go and check it out! Yeah!
Yogo, you're going too fast. Besides, we can't even see the big thing anymore.
You're right, Gazoo. We can see it much better from the Tangra hut than down here.
Forget it. We'd have to be as tall as trees to see that thing.
I know an animal that's as tall as the trees and who can see way over the top of them.
Wow!
Ta-da! A giraffe! It's got a very long neck and super long legs. Here we go! Tangranimals, transformation, giraffe! It's missing a piece to be complete. Yogo?
Yogo, you just let us down again.
Yogo, we really need you to make the giraffe's belly, you know? Then we can all go together and find that mysterious thing you saw earlier. Tangranimals, transformation, giraffe! I can see it! Over there! Here we are, my friends! Wow! Looks like a skyscraper.
A skyscraper? Oh, it's not scraping the sky.
No, where I come from, that's what we call very tall buildings.
Steaming shower curtains. What is that?
It's a rolling house! Rolling house!
Yeah, you're right about that, Bow and Bow. It's rolling on those wooden logs. This house is like one humongous camper.
The Tangrilians are saying hi. They're going on a trip and taking their home with them.
So they don't need to pack a wash bag whenever they go traveling? That's genius.
And house pushing is a great workout, too. Huh. I could try doing that with our Tangra hut.
They're doing really well despite being so tiny. What an organization.
A well-oiled machine! A well-oiled machine!
The poor things! They're all so tiny! They must be exhausted pushing that house. It makes me tired just looking at them.
Well, why don't we help them then? We're way stronger than they are.
Yes, good idea, Toph. Let's do it.
They're doing very nicely. They don't need our help. I'd rather take a nice bath. That's what I do best.
Wait!
Blah, 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 blah. I've just told them to go and rest and leave everything to us.
Wait, what?
Whoa.
There we go. Oops. Whoa!
Stop! Everybody stop!
I'm holding it.
Quick! Tangranimals, transformation, giraffe! Oh no, it's Let's use the creepers to stop it toppling. We need to bring back all those little Tangrillians so they can move their home the way they know best. Who's got a good nose? Yogo? We really need your help now. Go find those Tangrillians and fast.
Oh, damn it.
Nice work, Yogo. Let's keep going.
Whoa, 2 more! I'll take care of them. Come on, guys, up you get. Got one! Got one!
This is as much fun as an Easter egg hunt.
Ooh!
So much more! So much more!
There are so many of them. It's going to be exhausting getting them back to their skyscraper home.
They look like little babies who want to be carried. Babies! Oh, you're right, Kazoo. Back home, we have something very handy for carrying babies. It's called a stroller. They usually push their house by themselves, but this time, we're going to be pushing them. Got it, guys? Let's do this. Tangranimals, transformation, stroller! Careful! Babies on board! Here we go! Good job!
There we are!
Good job!
Good job!
He says they're glad they were able to have a little nap in the end. And they say thank you.
You did awesomely well, Yogo.
We knew we could rely on you.
Yippee! Tangranimals transformation, hang glider.
This is so relaxing. These colors and aromas. So quiet. Right, Gio?
Not exactly. Whoa, Yogo's going nuts. He wants me to go out and find chew balls for him. And I don't know why, but Ula and Russ haven't stopped squabbling all morning.
No, I'm the one who's not agreeing.
No, it's me. No, I can't agree to that.
No, it's me.
No, I'm the one who's not agreeing.
No, it's me.
Oh, shoot!
No.
Oh, shoot!
No, it's me.
No.
Oh, I don't like fights.
No,
No,
it's me.
I'm the
We don't even know why they're arguing.
It's me. No, I can't agree to that.
Yogo, give me some space. I'm trying to find a bunch of chew balls for you. Give me 2 seconds, will you? Yes! I've just found some chew balls over there at the top of the hill near the lake.
Daddy!
Yogo, wait for
Now tell us, Geo. You agree or don't you?
Do you agree or don't you? You decide, Geo.
I'd say I'd personally agree to go and fetch those 2 balls for Yogo.
Okie doke.
Yeah, why not?
Tangranimals transformation, kangaroo! We're here! Yogo? Yogo! Oh, wow, it's really slippery here.
Not surprising. It's a soap hill.
How are we going to be able to reach those 2 balls?
With a boat! With a boat! Oh, good idea!
Good idea.
With a boat on a soapy slope?
Yeah, sure, Geo. Why not? Don't you use boats to slide on soap where you come from?
Well, no. Actually, boats float on the sea in my world.
That's crazy!
You're a strange bunch where you come from, Geo. I love it.
The boat! The boat!
Yes,
Let's do it.
you're right.
Ha-ha! There! The hull, the mast, and the sail! Yes! Got it! Awesome! I think I know how we can build it.
Hey, wait! We need to put a big sail on our boat to make it go fast.
No, it needs a big body to make it strong and stable.
No, we need speed.
Strength.
Speed!
We need strength.
No.
Shush! Shush!
Strength.
I don't like fights.
What if we were to make 2 boats and have a race? You know, a race to the 2 balls. The first boat that manages to get there wins, right?
Yay!
Love it.
Great idea! Tangranimals transformation, 2 votes! Yeah!
Love it.
Yay! Awesome!
Awesome! Awesome!
We want a giant sail to go fast.
Whoa!
We want a very strong body that's nice and wide. Oh, yes! So cool!
Get perfect! 2 ball race!
Off we go.
Ah!
Yeah! Off we go.
Yeehaw!
We're too slow.
Way too slow.
Of course not! Oh no! We're way too slow!
Told you so.
Yeah!
Too fast! Too fast! Ah!
Of course not.
Even the greatest athletes take breaks, you know. Huh! In fact, I'm gonna take a little nap myself.
What's going on, buddy? You're pouting. You look just like me.
Did the boat give you a belly boo-boo? Sad. You know what, guys? I think that sometimes when you want something really, really badly, having your friends squabble all the time instead of helping can be upsetting. All Yogo wants is to be able to chew all day long.
Yogo, I think it was my fault. Russ had an awesome idea, and I didn't want to listen to it.
No, it's my fault. I should have listened to your idea. Speed makes you just as strong as size does.
We're so sorry.
I think Yogo wants you to work as a team instead of working against each other. Yes, that's a really good idea, Yogo. I suggest we make a new boat all together as a team. We'll give it a big sail, but also a big body. You in?
We
sure are.
Tangranimals, transformation, Yogo's boat! Yay! It's awesome! May I board your vessel, my good friends? Methinks you need a sailor.
Why don't you be our captain instead, Sergio?
Yay!
You helped us stay on course the whole time. That's what captains do. Isn't that right, guys?
Yeah, the True Ball treasure awaits us! Full speed ahead!
Full speed ahead!
Full speed ahead.
Yay! Let's fill the sails! Hard to port! Ahoy there! Shoe balls in sight! Whoa!